into my life. I am helping others with my wealth. I am married to money. I am a wonderful success. I am helping others achieve great success. I am experiencing abundance. I am allowing my higher self to take over. I am fearless. I am taking every action towards my dreams. I am in love with doing. I am creating endless amounts of money while I sleep. I have endless residual income. I prosper wherever I go in whatever I do. I am worthy. I love money. Every day I am becoming wealthier and wealthier. I am financially abundant. I am a great success. Unexpected money falls into my lap. I receive money by thinking luxuriously. I am building unlimited streams of income. I am always grateful for my unlimited sources of income. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am doing what I love and earning lots of money doing it. I am an unlimited being. I am free. I am always positive. I am grateful for my infinite abundance. Money automatically gravitates into my life. I am no longer limited by old conditioning. I am prosperous. I am deserving of wealth. I am creating my wildest dreams. I am worthy of receiving. I am the creator of my reality. I am plentiful. I am open to receiving from the universe. I love the universe, and the universe loves me. I trust in the laws of the universe. I trust in the law of attraction. I trust in the law of
my life.
reaping and sowing.
Money flows to me. I am wealthy. I am free to choose what I want to experience in my life. Every day, in every way, my wealth is increasing. I have a surplus that I share freely with others. Wealth is my birthright, my natural state of being. Whatever activities I perform make money for me. Prosperity comes to me quickly and easily. Money creates a positive impact in my life. I deserve to be abundant. Every day, I am attracting and saving more and more money. My prosperous thoughts create my prosperous world. I respect my ability to attract wealth. I believe I have the right to be prosperous, abundant, and successful. When I think wealthy thoughts, I become more wealthy in all aspects of my life. Abundance within me, abundance around me. I have the right to be prosperous. I expect and welcome good fortune in every part of my life. The universe freely provides for all my needs. Abundance and harmony rule my world. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly, even while I sleep. I rejoice that I'm successful and abundant in every way. Money flows to me in avalanches of abundance. I deserve and welcome financial abundance in my life now. Wealth is circulating in my life. I am successful at everything I do.
Yes, good morning.
Very good morning.
Okay, हाँ, Akish, I made you host हाँ कल जैसे. Oh, Chanmasaya is ready today to read.
आज फिर से प्रेजेंटेशन है क्या मैम आपका?
नहीं आज नहीं है.
आप अच्छे लग रहे हो.
नहीं मैंने अभी डिसाइड किया. रिकॉर्डिंग भी किया. आज रिकॉर्डिंग चालू कर दिया because we are
Good.
going to do a first secret, that is gratitude deep meditation ना. So I have
Okay.
started recording from the beginning and I made you co-host also.
ओके, अगर कोई आता है तो मैं उसको एक्सेप्ट
नहीं मीन्स ऐसे like I will make you co-host, so you can start recording, na? If I forget.
ओके 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 ऑलराइट
It is on now. Recording is on.
यस परफेक्ट
Yes.
Madam,
You cannot see it?
clarity, it's clearly it's not visible.
It is not visible.
इट इज विजिबल
Right now it's okay. Right now it's
Ah.
visible. I thank the universe for the wonderful gift. Madam,
Yes.
I thank the universe for the wonderful gift of life, which I value and cherish. I have a deep gratitude and respect for the money that life has offered me. Prosperity is my birthright, and I will climb it with heart and mind. Deep down, I am aware that I am born to be rich. I love money and open to receive all abundance prosperity. Everything I desire knows effortlessly towards me. I love my work and business, which I offer a wonderful service. Every day is an opportunity to meet good people and spread joy. I look at each day with hope and know that it would be a great day. Daily, I create miracles for myself and also for others. I attract in plenty and spend joyfully and have huge savings. I am guided to make choices that are beneficial for me. I rejoice in others' success, knowing that there is a plenty for all of us. I attract wonderful people and excellent opportunities. My good comes from everywhere and everyone. I am fully contented and all is happy in my world. In this beautiful universe where I live in.
Everything is whole, complete, and perfect.
It's not ultimate freedom. I earn massive passive income. I earn more than enough passive income to pay for my desired lifestyle. I set up vehicles and systems to work instead of me. I get paid based on the value I provided without my labor. I love making money while I sleep, play, or on vacation. The less I work, the more I earn. Excellent passive income opportunities always come in my way. I appreciate all the free time and money I have. I'm financially free. I work because I have to. I never have to work again. Willingly,
Mind
I
game.
create mind game. I create my life. I create the exact amount of my financial success. I play the money game to win. My intention is to create wealth and abundance. I admire and model rich and successful people. I believe money is important. Money is freedom and makes life more enjoyable. I get rich doing what I love. I deserve to be rich because I add value to others people's lives. I'm a generous giver and an excellent receiver. I'm truly grateful for all the money I have now. Lucrative opportunities always come in my way. My capacity to earn, hold, and grow money expands day by day. Winning the money game. I'm an excellent money manager. I always pay myself first. I put my money into my TWCCO account every week. My money works hard for me and makes me more and more money. I earn enough passive income to pay for all my desired lifestyle. I'm financially free. I work because I choose to, not because I have to. My part-time business is managing and investing my money, and I creating passive income streams. Secret of the millionaire mind. My inner world creates my outer world. I absorb my thoughts and entertain only those that empower me. I realize my non-supportive money experiences from the past and create a new and rich future. I create an excellent level of financial success. My goal is to become a billionaire and more. I'm thinking big. I choose to help thousands and thousands of people. I promote my value to others with passion and enthusiasm. I'm an excellent receiver. I'm open to willing to receive massive amounts of money into my life. I'm committed to constantly learn and grow. Law of attraction. I'm wealthy and money comes to me easily. Money is attractive to me in all that I do. The money that always shows up in my life is always used in an inspirational way. It is so easy for me to attract wealth and prosperity. I don't even have to think about it. The true wealth that I easily attain allows me to express the best within my soul. I enjoy the amount of money and prosperity that is constantly attracted into my life. When I think about how easily money comes into my life, I'm comforted. Money is amazing because it allows me to be who I really want to be. Wealth is always simple to attain it in my life, and I have plenty of time for others' endeavor. I'm quite simply a money magnet. Riches are constantly on their way to me. I can afford to be, I have anything that allows me to express the greatest version of myself. I'm always wealthy and secure when it comes to money. My bank account is loaded with all of the money that I will ever need it. It is simple for me to keep an overflowing bank account that allows me to do what my soul desires. Through wealth, my spirit expresses the best version of itself. I have always found it simple to attract whatever money that I needed to into my life. I'm a force that money is attracted to. I'm grateful for the money that I have constantly showing up within my life. I attract wealth and prosperity on daily basis. My mind is wired for attracting wealth. Financial security is always within my life. My income extends that amount of joy that I can experience within my life. I'm so happy that I'm constantly attracting money to myself. Money shows up through both expected and unexpected methods. I consistently welcome wealth into my life. My brain is a magnet for prosperity, all that I do. Affirmation for the money making. I'm receiving money now with ease and grace. I love actively and passively making money. Money has come to me with little or no efforts. I enjoy working and being paid well. Unexpected money is coming to me. Manifesting more money comes to money naturally. I'm powerfully charged money magnet. I'm feeling open to receive abundance. I see the infinite supply of energy. I'm taking financially rewarding opportunities. I choose to enjoy accepting payment. I live each day appreciating value. I'm excited to be making money. I notice new possible income sources. I have everything I need, including money. The universe is conspiring to make me wealthy. I see myself living a life of financial security. My positive attitude attracting money. Affirmations are motivating to me to become rich. I live confidently knowing I am worthy of prosperity. Gratitude affirmations. Thank you for this new day. I am filled with happiness and gratitude. I am grateful for another chance to live my life. I am grateful for to feel the air in my lungs and and the beating of my heart. I am thankful simply for being alive. Thankfulness and appreciation and sincere gratitude are part of who I am. I am grateful for who I am and what I have. I invite gratitude into my heart. Today I will have an attitude of gratitude. Thank you for the blessings this day will bring to me.
Yeah, we'll just do. Yeah, we'll just do the currency exercise before we take over. है ना?
Okay.
Take the feel it same currency. I hope you are using the same currency which you started on day first, and you have not spent this. And even if you have spent it, it's okay. Just take one currency, but just feel if you are using the same currency every day, can you make any difference? It is same or any new folds you can see. See the roughness, see the numbers, see the symbols. How many symbols are there? How many numbers are there? On one side, photo is there. The other side, specs are there. Means just see it very deeply. We never see very deeply, no? We just see and exchange, but we never see exactly what is the, because you are becoming more conscious. So in future now there will be little physical currency, but if you observe this, you will very easily point out if there is a fake currency later on. So as you know, ki money wants you to see happy, and if you want to please anyone, you have to please money. So money likes these 5 feelings. So show the gratitude. Thank you for the money I had in the past. Thank you for the money whole my all generations had till today. Thank you for the money I have right now, money and unknown money. Thank you for the future money I am going to have, the expected and unexpected. Thank you for the unexpected money which you don't know you are going to get it. Show the respect. Show the respect the way you feel, how you show the respect to your elders. Ask for sorry for my past mistakes I did about money unknowingly. Now I have become conscious and more aware. I will minimize my mistakes. And even if I do mistakes, I have become aware. I will shift and correct my mistakes. I love money. I love money. I will be very comfortable in handling money. I will not be stressful if money comes to me. I will not be stressful if money is going out of me. I feel more comfortable now. I'm feeling more comfortable with money now. I'm having a great confidence in generating money. I'm having a great confidence in handling money and managing money. And I know there is abundance, there is enough from the source. If I ask to the source, it will come in my divine nine. It is only the scarcity is there only in the mindset. There is abundance, and I'm going to develop abundance mindset. Once I change my mindset from scarcity to abundance, abundance will start flowing towards me very easily. Thank you, universe, in advance. Thank you, universe, in advance. Yes, we'll start this. I'm just taking you to the yesterday's slide. If you want to take photo, if you have not taken, you can take. Sorry. is going current. Sorry. So these are the topics. So today we will start with the 9 secrets of abundance. So this I explained yesterday just to revise because we don't grasp in first meeting, no? So now you have become the first step aware and you have done your self discovery, what are the positive and negative, and now you have deleted the old files now, all the past mistakes, negative habits. Now you have become aware and you have written down your 100 things which are positive in you. Now you will develop and you will get clear in your mission and vision statement very slowly. Now you are going to set a big goals. Mind map means you are going to write it in a book or on a computer. If you are using tech savvy, this Xmind is software you can write mind map. If you are very organized then and tech savvy, you can download this Xmind from web. It is not a software. You can go to the www.xmind.com and download it. It is a free version. What you have seen is a mind map and this is a free version, so you can write your points like that. The fourth is you can create a vision board, that is taking a pictures from Google Images what you like and keep a printout. Otherwise you can prepare a PowerPoint presentation if you are tech savvy. Then you will make a clear strategy which we learn in money management. Then depending on what you do, you will start taking action, but you will have your monthly goals. We'll have a long goals about financial and how you can see that 30-year, 20-year goal into yearly, and so that that will keep you on track. And everybody is aware now, if you want to manifest which you think in your mind that you want it, which you don't have current now, if you want to bring the future thing in the present, you have to start developing the good emotion, that feel good. So in these areas you are going to get set a goal, because everything is indirectly related with money. And when you know that you want this thing, you want good relationship, you want to be good parent, you want a good social thing, everything requires little money. With money you can do. Money is not everything, but if you have got desire, that desire has come from the universe only. And if the more the desire, because more contribution you are going to have. So don't feel bad that if you are having more desires to acquire money, because it will fulfill your desires, it will fulfill your family desires, and you will be able to contribute to the society also. So in these 12 areas, if you only focus on making money on only the self, then maybe money will not stay. So you think in all areas, like if money comes to you and it will keep coming, you will fulfill all the goals in all the areas. Then only you will feel contented. Otherwise, if you are thinking now, right now, okay, I want a Mercedes. I mean, that is not for everyone, but I'm just giving you example. Once you achieve that, then your happiness will go, because it is only that materialistic. Once you acquire that material wealth, then you will start feeling empty again. So that's what happens. You must have seen many rich people. They don't have a goal in their life and they acquire that material wealth and they feel emptiness in their life. So you have to set goals in all the areas, then you will feel complete. So these are the few financial habits you will acquire when you want to change the money world. So you can take now you have become aware about money consciousness, you will keep on increasing your consciousness, you will set your finance goal, you will start reviewing the goals, you will same time you will create income source, or you will strengthen your core income source, will add, you will do your financial planning, you will do your financial prayers, means these affirmations, you will start acquiring the knowledge, you will manage the money, and most importantly you will start celebrating by giving little amount. So if you complete all these habits which you can see on the slide, you have to work one by one. Okay, so these are the 9 secrets of the abundance. Now you have become aware the gratitude is the most thing. Now one ritual about the gratitude I'll stop sharing now. One ritual about the gratitude is, anyway we are doing gratitude affirmations, right? There is a one more is how you can express the gratitude is, you can have a little rock, थोड़ा सा ऐसा स्मूथ पत्थर होता है ना, राउंड मार्बल वगैरह, यू विल गेट इट समवेयर ना, द राउंड यू विल गेट इट. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्रैटिट्यूड रैक. पत्थर जो होता है ना, यू कीप नियर योर बेड ग्रैटिट्यूड रॉक. एक पत्थर को रख दो, मार्बल वाला है, कुछ भी ले लो एक स्मॉल, एंड जस्ट बिफोर स्लीपिंग, just that is your anchor. Just before sleeping, just thank for the things whatever you experience in the whole day. And morning to anyway you are going gratitude affirmation. So night, with the help of gratitude rock, that will give you anchor. Yes, I had to say thank you, otherwise we forget, no? So that is gratitude rack. The third one is gratitude jar. You can acquire, it is not must that you have to do it, but as you grow you can do it when you got a free time and बाकी सारा है. तो gratitude jar. So what I have done is, means when I after lunch, I have started recently only. So keep one small jar or something like that. Every day just write one thing on one small paper and just keep it there. So after 365 days, you will realize 365 things you have done thank you for. It is very small thing, but it will make a thing. You save money, so like that you save your gratitude also. So that is a one way of saying. Some people write gratitude journal also. So every day you can write 3 things, 5 things. But even if you are doing affirmation, it's okay. Gratitude journal is different thing. One more thing is gratitude jar. Sorry, gratitude dance. You dance, na? You have to celebrate it. So when you start gratitude dance, how that small child starts dancing with the happiness. I will show the clips later on. So that is gratitude dance. And the last one is the gratitude meditation, which we are going to experience now. So I'm going to take through that journey now of gratitude meditation, where you have to close and you have to just experience. I'm going to thank 100 things you should thankful for. 100 gratitude meditation. So you can just close your eyes now. Just close your eyes and just inhale. Just take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Take a deep breath again and exhale. Again, take a deep breath. Exhale. Just listen to the frequency. Just focus on your breath. Just focus on your breath. Take a deep breath again. You are standing on the beach where you are experiencing the roughness of the sand below your feet, the breeze in the air, the blue sky, blue water. You are opening your arms towards universe and you are thanking universe. I'm grateful for the breath. You are experiencing the breath, the air in your lungs. Thank you for the hard working heart. Thank you for the food that fuels my experience. Thank you for the ever-present opportunity to make better decisions than your past. your brain and memory that allow you to learn from mistakes. Thank you for the freedom to make unlimited mistakes on your road to self-improvement. Thank you for the endless supply of wisdom people and the books provide. Thank you for the natural talents you were born to share. Thank you for the challenges in your life that allow you to grow. Thank you for the accomplishments that you have got till now and that has improved your life from day one. Thank you, Mother and Father, who gave you life. That's why you are existing on this earth. Thank you for the internet. Thank you for the humor you have experienced in the life. Thank you for those sweet friends. Thank you for the animal. If you are liking any animal, dogs, cat. Thank you for the warm sun on your skin. Thank you for the beauty and the life I can see in the nature. Thank you for all the senses that allow me to experience life. My eyes, my nose, my hands, my legs, my skin. Thank you for drinking water. Thank you for health I have. Thank you for the arms, legs, feet, hands that give me the freedom of movement. I'm lucky to have all full, complete, perfect body. Thank you for that favorite song of mine that keeps me going when I am down. Thank you for the music. Thank you for all those relatives who have encouraged me, empowered me. Thank you for the good air. Thank you for the food I experience. Thank you for the luxuries I have in my house. Thank you for the knowledge I have received. Thank you for the education. Thank you for all the learnings I had. Thank you for my wonderful childhood. Thank you for the books. Thank you for the knowledge I received till now. Thank you for the knowledge I'm going to receive. Thank you for the exercises I have learned. Thank you for the fitness. Thank you for all my ancestors. Thank you for my religion. Thank you for my family culture. Thank you for those beautiful experiences. Thank you for the love I've experienced. Thank you for my love life. Thank you for the money. Just visualize your day since morning. Just go back in your past memory in the morning. How did you get up? Thank you for that moment. Just visualize your day. see your movements, see your experiences. See your emotions. Thank you for all the emotions I experience in my life. Thank you for the anger I have experienced in my life. Thank you for that frustration I experience in my life. Thank you for the stress I experience in the life. Thank you for the music in my life. Thank you for those musical instruments. Thank you for all the software, all the mobile applications I'm using. Thank you for the comfort. Thank you for the convenience. Thank you for my memory. Thank you for my concentration. Thank you for those insults and humiliation I experienced that has brought out the best in me. Thank you for those challenges that has brought the best out of me. Thank you for that peaceful experiences. Thank you for my vacations you experienced till now. Thank you for those lovely traveling experiences. Thank you for those friends visit. Thank you for the parties you have experienced. Thank you for those family functions. Thank you for the rich experience you had till now in your life. Thank you for those rich experiences you had which other people never had. Thank you for those unique experiences which you only can experience yourself. Thank you for the happiness. Thank you for the joy. Thank you for that blissful moments. Thank you for those confident moments. Thank you for those fearful moments. Thank you for wonderful life. If I experience all the expressions, then only my life is complete. So I will never complain if anything comes to, because I know the key to shift my emotion is to change the position, change the body language. Thank you for my profession. Thank you for my job. Thank you for my business. Thank you for that small bicycle which I have learned. Thank you for the car I have learned my driving. Thank you for that motorbike. Thank you for all my toys in the childhood. Everything I experienced. Thank you for those wonderful experiences in my life. Thank you for those negative experiences in my life. Life is all about experiences. I thank for each and every article in my life. I thank you for each every moment in my life.
Thank you for financial abundance.
We have 2 coding enthusiasts here at the house, and their grades are so good.
Thank you for financial success. Thank you for passive income. Thank you for residual income. Thank you for the plants. Thank you for the vegetables. Thank you for the fruit. Thank you for the wind. Thank you for the rain. Thank you for the sunshine. Thank you for the clouds in the sky. Thank you for water. Thank you for fresh fruit. Thank you for fresh vegetables. Thank you for my heart. Thank you for unlimited prosperity. Thank you for financial abundance. Thank you. Thank you for my hands, clouds in the sky. Thank you for water. Thank you for my wonderful taste buds. Thank you for unlimited prosperity. Thank you for financial abundance. Thank you for financial success.
Slowly, just see whatever images incoming in your mind. Thank you for everything. Slowly. You can open your eyes. So you did not realize, in fact, you did not realize why I switched over to this. In fact, I had that my Word file where the sentences are there, and it is there in my Drive file. Yesterday I just downloaded, and I think it has come half only. That's the reason that I had to shift there anyway, because that file I will give 100 things of gratitude. In that manual it will come, but it was copied only half, I think. Then that's why I had to shift to something gratitude. So just the purpose of this exercise is there are so many things we have experienced, but we never felt gratitude. We take it for granted. So the more you go deep, so every day you will thank for the things. So that becomes your habit every day. No? So at least start saying 3 things you are grateful for in the morning. Anyway, we are doing gratitude affirmations. These 10 affirmations also every day we do. That is good. But if you make a habit of 3 things which you feel it is a new thing for you, and you start thanking for daily 3 things also, if you do. That's why I made you visualize from morning till evening. If you do at night, you can take that rock and say, oh yeah, thank you for this good experience. You will have some good experience in a day, and you will also have a bad experience also. But when you start appreciating the good things, bad will start dissolving.
Right.
That is the thing. The first awareness is, the more you practice gratitude, your fear will go down. Your fear will go down. If there is a fear and doubt, there will be a block in your life. So once you know, it's whatever, money or anything, the fear, doubt, then whatever thing is there, it gets blocked. So you just see the opposite. Gratitude and fear will not go together. If there is a more gratitude, there is a less fear. If there is a more fear, it means there is a less gratitude. So when you feel fearful, that's what it happens. No, fear will come at any stage. We are not perfect. No, fear will come. Fear comes to me also. So when I become aware, you start feeling a palpitation or something, a movement in your navel, something you start feeling uncomfortable. So that time you should know, okay, I'm little fearful. So exactly start switching over to gratitude. Whatever you believe, if you start believing in some God, so you just think of God, or just think some Just thank you for something. See positive. Switch over. Yes, so we have got time now, so we can discuss if you want to discuss something.
Yeah, it was a great experience, ma'am. मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें हमारे इर्द गिर्द में होती है, but we never ever think about it. Okay, given this thing is important to me. Okay,
Yes.
so I remember when I was grown up, the only reason I became an engineer because actually I really wanted to buy the Maruti 800. Okay, why? Because when I was growing up, my uncle had that Maruti 800 and he was an engineer. So I thought so, engineer लोगों के पास में Maruti 800 होती है, correct? But उसके बाद में जब कॉलेज में आया तो एक्चुअली आई प्रमोटेड माई सेल्फ टू द वैगनआर. ओके
Okay.
एंड जिस दिन मुझे गाड़ी खरीदनी थी तो एक्चुअली आई डिसाइडेड टू गो फॉर द इको स्पोर्ट्स. ओके, सो तो वो इको स्पोर्ट्स ले ली. उसके बाद में उसका इम्पोर्टेंट 6 महीने रहा.
हाँ.
न्यू डिजायर इज द BMW X3. सो आई सेड जो चीजें हाथ में है उसको थैंक यू बोलने के बजाय वी ऑलवेज रन आफ्टर द न्यू डिजायर. And I'm sure the moment we will achieve this, even the new desire will come automatically.
Yeah.
Yeah. So whatever we have at the moment, actually, we should grateful for. We should thankful for. For example, not everybody has hands. Not everybody has the power in their legs.
Yes. That
Many
is
of
the
the people
realization. Yeah.
Yeah. Many of the people cannot walk on their. I'm so grateful that मेरे सारे body के part एकदम fit and fine है.
And then you can see people also will with one hand and one leg, they are doing better than you. So always
Absolutely.
for the things you have and get inspired from the people who have got deficiency than you, they are doing better.
Yeah, absolutely.
नहीं, ये सब होगा अगर मेटेरियलिस्टिक डिजायर ज्यादा रहेगा तो ये प्रॉब्लम होगा मेरे हिसाब से. मेटेरियलिस्टिक डिजायर.
Yeah, that's what I told. If you focus only on the materialistic desire and the selfish desire, then it will happen. So when you know that कि सबको करना है, the emotion behind acquiring that wealth, then it will be more better.
Yeah.
Okay, why not you? Why can't gift family members? Why can't gift your children, your spouse? Why sometimes you can surprise your spouse also? So only the selfish desire and only materialistic desire will not give you completeness. So think of all areas.
और मैम थैंक यू बोलने के बाद में काफी लाइट फील होता है यार. that we are in the air.
Yeah, time is there. I can show you the gratitude. So I'll share the screen one.
अच्छा, मैं एक बोलना चाहता हूँ. मैं कल का वीडियो शेयर नहीं कर पाया बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजन, क्योंकि कल मेरा माताजी का 4th डेथ एनिवर्सरी था.
ओके.
वो रिचुअल्स के लिए मैं बिजी था. आज मैं भेज दूंगा.
Okay.
Thank you.
See, I'm showing you the gratitude dance. Different countries the gratitude dance. Like a small kid. Yeah, means wherever you go, which religion, which culture, your color, every country, the frequency is same. No, the gratitude dance means it is just a celebration without anything.
Yeah, I will do that.
Ah, so this is
अच्छा
the way
लगता है
of
मुझे.
this is the way of expressing gratitude. So when fear comes, you start expressing gratitude like this. So your body will become lighter.
Right.
So even if you just do it in your room, no problem.
Yeah. Those who don't know Dr. Mikla's dance, you will certainly have to see it.
That's what I started dancing. No, I had a desire in childhood, but that was a suppressed. Suppressed means it is because of the, again, family taboo. Like if you start
Yeah.
expressing, and especially ladies, then it is not good. Means South में ठीक है, but in Maharashtra and all that, it was not sounded good in the earlier days.
Community.
So I was never expressive. When I did this, my workshops and all that, then I know that celebration is the only key. So you start expressing. When you start expressing, you.
आप कब दिखा रहे हो अपना डांस?
All of us will do together.
I was fortunate enough to.
हाँ
मैडम फरवरी गोवा इवेंट क्या है मैडम, एक मैसेज भेज देना.
हाँ. Goa. I'll talk to you regarding that one. Yes, Dr. Juliet, you were saying something. Dr. Meenal was
Esther,
saying.
when are you going to dance? Want
Dance,
to see
all
you
of us
dance. आकेश ने
us will
इसलिए
dance.
बोला है तो इस रीजन हमें
यहाँ पे
देखना
आप
है.
देख नहीं पाएंगे ना, वो झूम में नहीं इतना देख पाएंगे.
नहीं, आप खड़े हो जाओगे तो देख पाएंगे.
See, it is a dance means क्या?
No,
you have to,
wait.
don't think who is there in front of you, and be yourself and just express your happiness. That is the only dance. It is not like कितना step अच्छा है, but do with the energy. That is more important.
Yeah.
All of us will do now.
First of all, youngsters, we need to do first.
Yes. Yes. So I'm making you more comfortable, na?
क्या है?
Yeah.
मैम कभी कभार ये भी हो जाता है ना कि we are aging, right? Like we are
Yeah.
35, 40, we are 45, and we started believing that actually we are growing old.
Yeah.
So growing old person ये नहीं कर सकते, growing people that cannot do that. So actually
You
we
have
are
to
putting
remove
that.
that taboo. You have to
Yeah.
become more expressive,
Correct.
more energetic. Then only you will attract the things.
Age is for body only, not for mind.
Yes. So Sunday we'll do the forgiveness exercise, no? Forgiveness. So we'll take more time that time, and
Right.
after we end forgiveness, we'll do the gratitude dance.
Right.
So all of
मैम
us
कितने
ready
बजे
now?
रहेगा संडे को?
ना संडे को क्या?
कितने बजे रहेगा?
टाइम रहेगा.
मॉर्निंग में ही ना, सेम टाइम पे ना. What
ओके
time you
मैम,
want?
क्योंकि 8:30 से नहीं, क्योंकि 8:30 से मेरा सेशन है मैम, तो इसलिए पूछ रही
हाँ,
हूँ
तो
मैं कि
उसके
कितने
पहले
बजे
ही
रहेगा.
फिनिश करेंगे ना. We'll start at 6:45 and then
जी.
हाँ 7 o'clock आप आ जाते हो ना. 7:05 से स्टार्ट करके we'll finish by 8:15.
संडे को मैं जल्दी भी आ सकती हूँ मैम, संडे मेरा मॉर्निंग क्लास नहीं रहता है.
हाँ, तो संडे आ जाओ. So I will play those visual images maybe for 5-7 minutes only. Then straight away we'll
Okay.
go into the affirmations, and exactly 7 we'll start the forgiveness. Then we can finish by maximum 8 o'clock, I think. 8:10.
मुझे इस संडे याद ही नहीं रहा मैम कि आपका क्लास है, इसलिए मैं अटेंड नहीं कर पाई,
अरे
जबकि
बाप.
मैं घर पे ही थी. हम
हाँ.
मतलब वो रेगुलर शेड्यूल में नहीं रहता था. मैं
we just did affirmations only because Sunday Dr. Juliet had function. So then we didn't want to stretch, but affirmations किया. There should not be break in affirmations.
हाँ नहीं, वो मैं सुनती हूँ अपने मेरे आवाज में जो मैंने रिकॉर्ड की है.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. मीनल मैम अमूल क्लास अटेंड कर रहा है क्या आप? अमूल का देखा मैंने आपको.
यस सर.
अमूल क्लास अमूल करा ले. देखा मैंने आपको.
यस सर. यस सर.
So now किसी ने मुझे दिया है किसी morning rituals are always good, but morning rituals के classes बहुत हो गए. That's the reason I took money, because money में बहुत सारे लोग अटक जाते हैं. By only doing a morning rituals, nothing will happen if you don't change the mindset and go deeper into the self-discovery and understanding of personalized. This is very personalized. जैसे मनोज के लिए अलग होगा, हर एक का गीता अलग है, हर एक का बाइबल अलग है, हर एक का कुरान अलग है, like that ना. So everybody's story is different. So when you start learning this, everybody will have their own realization, own self discovery. वो हो जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Then somebody has suggested me कि instead of morning rituals you start a class at 9 or 9:30 night rituals. So night rituals से sleep भी अच्छा आ जाएगा. लोगों का sleep का problem. Somebody has suggested me 9:30 or 10 you start for half an hour also 30 minutes so that night में again same thing, no, what thought you sleep with is more important.
Yes.
How your sleep will affect, how the morning rituals affect the whole day. So what thought you carry just before sleep is important to have your quality sleep. So even if you sleep for 4-5 hours, it should be quality sleep rather than sleeping for 8-10 hours.
Correct.
Yeah. So let's see. Okay, so tomorrow is Friday.
Friday.
So Sunday we will do, no? Sunday or Saturday, whatever you feel. Sunday is okay, na? Saturday also you have class, Dr. Meenal?
Yes, ma'am.
So Sunday will be better, na, then, because Sunday you will have little free from hospital also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then see you.
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all.